What's going on, guys? Yes, I know I have a mustache. That's for Movember. I'm raising money for charity, so I'll include the link below if you do want to donate. Um, but yeah, nonetheless, I wanted to get on here and talk about why local SEO is so important. A lot of business owners, they go right to advertising. Okay, so they go straight to the ads and they think that that's a good strategy, and it is. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying ads are bad. What I'm saying is, though, is that you have to think about it from a financial standpoint, right? Because it's just a cash flow investment consistently. You're consistently outlaying cash into into your ads, right? So that's every single day you're basically deploying cash, right? Where you could actually just do the local SEO first, increase the amount of inbound leads you're getting from organic SEO. And then the revenue that comes from that, you just use that to pay off your ads, right? So now you're basically getting both strategies for free, essentially, because local SEO isn't a consistent investment. It's something that you do for probably about 3 months max. And then you can revisit in 2 years, right? You can revisit in a year. It's fine. So once you do that investment, you'll have a lot of organic revenue coming in. You'll have local clients searching for your solution. You just have to do some GMB optimization, right? You have to get local citations. You have to build up that Google presence just for Google Maps, just for the local GMB pack, right? We're not even talking about organic SEO here. We're not talking about backlinks, technical SEO. We're not talking about content. We're not talking about any of that stuff, okay? We're talking about just straight up local SEO, GMB, okay? Local SEO driving organic leads, calls to the business, website visits and form signups, and then pretty much emails, and that's it. Those are the three conversion mechanisms that will come in. So you take those and you work with them, and then you take the revenue from that and you invest it into ads and basically double up on your client acquisition for half the price, because all these people are running ads first, getting like the money they receive on the back end and the revenue they receive from running ads. Not only does that revenue need to be higher than the cost of the ads, but it also needs to be higher than the cost of fulfillment, because if your cost of goods sold or your cost of fulfillment, cost of labor is so high, and plus the acquisition cost is so high, then technically speaking, you're not even recovering your ad spend, right? Or technically speaking, you're not even profitable on your client acquisition. Whereas if you just did the SEO first, the local SEO first, you'll have a streamlined inbound stream of clients coming in that you can rely on. It's not going to change. It's basically the average search volume every single month that happens, for particular keywords that your GMB is going to be ranking number one for. If you just do the SEO optimization for it first, that will bring in money. You take that money, deploy that money into advertising. Okay, ads are effectively free because you only invested 3 months into your local SEO. That's all you did. That got you on the back end lots of a streamlined long-term acquisition channel, okay, being the local GMB. Okay, that's going to bring in clients for a long time. And on top of that, the income from that is being recycled into your advertising. What better strategy and deployment, sequential deployment, method should you use, right? Should you go ads first, or should you go local SEO first? Let me know in the comments below. Cheers.